Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Gadi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about very trusted and newly launched software S-Thinker Phone Keeper. Hi everyone. Have you ever lost your photos, videos, contacts, messages and other important data from iOS device? Don't worry, S-Thinker Phone Keeper helps you to recover your lost data in very simple way. This is the official website of S-Thinker Phone Keeper. One-step iOS data recovery software to recover deleted or lost data from any iOS devices. You can download the Phone Keeper software from here and you have to install it. This is the Phone Keeper software. You can recover your data from this software. You have to first connect your devices in recovery mode with your PC. Then you can recover your data easily by following 3 steps. First steps, connect your device and choose the recovery mode. You have to choose the recovery mode. If you need the recovery mode video, please comment down below. I will show you how to move your iOS device into recovery mode. Then next step, scan, preview and select the data you want to recover. The lost data you can scan first, then you will see the lost data. You can preview and select the data you want to recover. After that, choose the file and start recovering your lost data. If you need a complete guide, you can visit here. The software can recover data from iOS devices directly, iTunes backups, and recover from the iCloud backup. This software helps you to recover data which are accidentally deleted, device stolen, you forget password of the device and you want to get back the file, water damage, your device is damaged due to the water and you want to get back the file, then you can use this S-Thinker Phone Keeper software to recover your data. Forget your passcode, system crash devices with the devices which are crashed due to the system and you want to recover the data, you can use this software. No backup file. If your data do not have any backups and you want to get back the file, then you can use this software to virus attack data. Some files, some data which are affected by the virus and you can't open it and recover it from any other, then you can use this software to recover your data. Okay, let's try to recover some data from this Phone Keeper software. Here is both version, trial version and paid version. Let's try for free trial version first. Here is free options, iOS system recovery. It helps to fix the iOS related problem. And another option is iOS data backup and restore. It helps to back up your data from iOS device and iOS data are restored to your device from PC. And another option is WhatsApp transfer, device to device transfer, backup and restore. Now let's recover our data. The main feature is this. It shows my iPhone here. Now let's start scan. Oh my god, the Phone Keeper is scanning my device and here are some photos that are previously deleted from my iPhone. Those photos which are in red name are recovered photo. Wow, this is amazing. It works, guys. You can use this software. Now I can say this is trusted software. You can use this software for various data recovery. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.